Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the ASUS Vivobook 15X1502 and what's inside of it. To open this notebook, you need to undo all 10 Phillips head screws that keep the bottom panel attached to the chassis. Then, pry the panel with a plastic tool.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
The Vivobook 15 features a 42 watt-hours battery pack. It lasts for 9 hours of web browsing, or 6 hours of video playback. Before you remove it, you need to unplug the battery connector and undo the 5 Phillips head screws that keep it in place. Memory-wise, you get either 4 or 8 GB of memory soldered to the motherboard. In addition, you can use the single SODIMM slot to expand it with DDR4 RAM. For storage, there is one M.2 PCIe X4 slot, which supports Gen 4 SSDs. Interestingly, the cooling comprises one heat pipe but 2 heat sinks. This means that the single fan needs to push air in 2 directions. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.